Subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be the first one to receive the latest video. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching this channel and I am Akshat Goyal. So guys, thank you for supporting me on the previous style as I got to know that many of you liked it. And on my Instagram last week on Saturday Sunday, I played hashtag Sawal Saturday Sunday and I got many of the questions. So I chose the frequently asked questions and the common ones. So let's answer them. And this is Talking Tuesday to answer all your questions, suggestions, and all. But guys, the problem is that you only ask regarding to poetry and all. You can ask like anything, personal life and all also. So in the next episode, not next Tuesday, but yeah later, you can ask them also. And please ask. Thank you. So let's begin with the questions. So the first question is by Ria Jan. You can try a genre of feeling in poetry. I personally love those shairis with heart-touching words. You may try new words in your poetry, some through and special words that are capable of going straight to the heart, tracing the path from the mind. Wow. So yeah, actually the thing is, I don't write shairis. Okay, and in my poetry, I try to include new words. I often search for some synonyms of the words I use, and if they are just rhyming or low in that sentence, I use them. And yeah, I will surely try for the thing. Thank you for suggesting. Then is Piyu Saxena. You should make a video with intro. You should give a feel of poetry competition to your YouTube fans. Does not matter how many views you're getting. It depends upon the quality video out there. No intro, no outro, thumbnail is and brightness also less. Okay, so now you can see that the intro is there. Actually, this was before 2 weeks when the one video was not out. There was yeah and yeah in the poetry competition. Actually, thing sometimes you don't know as it's the first time what to do and all. You slowly gain experience. I feel. Khushi Gupta. Your video needs editing. You need to show a little zeal and enthusiasm. Try new things. Okay, Khushi. Actually, I try my best, but it depends from person to person if they're capable or not capable of doing such things. And yeah, trying new things is always something which I love. Like in the previous videos, I introduced the intro screen with this in this video also, and in the end of this video, the outro screen also. And like I find new methods to engage my audience also and to improve my poetries also. Next is Himanshu Jan. Keep the good work up. Thank you, Himanshu, for suggesting this. Yeah, I'll sure keep up this whenever, but we need your support also to keep this going. If you guys don't support, then how can we just keep it going? Next is Vandita Daryana. Just want to know that how you manage so many things at first and are your parents supportive? So Vandita is one of the participant of the competition who reached the finals. The video finals will be uploaded soon. Sorry for not uploading that at time. And yeah, managing such things is difficult. That's why it happened that the competition video was lagging also sometimes, and technical issues are much. Yeah, my parents are a bit supportive, and yeah, first, but you need to maintain some sort of balance that one thing should not over out the another one. Next is Tanik Shingla. Uh, y- your content is already great. Uh, Style your texting, representation, and confidence and pictures. Yeah, the pictures one is like you can see the picture of each word I'm using here. So that's something you can just suggest and I'll do if that's feasible. Yeah, so like I'm doing it here also, and yeah, try You have to search also for new things, like outros also takes time to make, and the shooting also, editing also, plus schooling and tuitions also. So we just need to do things. And yeah, confidence, I just try my best to come out here, and sometimes it happens like a camera fear and all. So next is Parth Raj Chauhan. Please improve your grammatical errors. Okay, Parth, about the grammatical errors, I have already talked to many person. Yeah, I am trying to improve, and sometimes when they spot some sort of grammatical or sentence formation mistake, I just tell them that it's a poetry. Sometimes you just need to make the things like a good in a form of poetry. So sometimes the error comes. You know, whenever it's possible to just do the corrections, I do, and sometimes it's not possible because it doesn't happen with everyone, I feel. Then is Ria Garg. You can write poem related to friends or stress and depression, etc. Related to sadness. Totally mean that only. Okay, so this is by Ria Garg. She's saying to make a poetry on friends, stress or depression. Basically, she wants on sadness. So in friends also, since she's sadness. So yeah, I will totally try to make the things on depression. But yeah, sometimes I'm not able to do on a particular genre. Like I don't different genre the current topics or the social topics going on or the current going on. So that's, I'll try my best and bring it out soon. Vishali Bindal. Grow your Instagram and YouTube, join groups where I to support each other. Yeah, Vishali, it's not like that. I've made a channel right now, and the subscribers or the followers or Instagram and YouTube came. So it takes time to do things. And with the athletics I have checked on Google, my progression is going average. So that's, I'm feeling like that, yes, it's good. Yeah, about the groups, yes, on my Instagram I have joined many groups, and we are supporting each other, and we are helping out each other also. Then is by Vedant Rekha. इतना टाइम कहाँ से आता है ये सब करने का? डू यू एट टाइम of 24 hours more? No, Vedant, that's something like not possible. But yeah, if you maintain some balance and do things, it will be possible. It's very tough, literally. But yeah, we need to manage it sometimes. Scheduling and managing can make it. Then is by Akshat Gupta. I want part 2 of Reality of Life poem. Yeah, okay, I'll just try to write it, but okay, I'll just try to write it. So guys, hope I answered all the questions. If they were not answered, please comment down in the below section, in the comment section, or you can just Instagram, mail, or WhatsApp me your questions, suggestions, not just related to poetry, but anything related to me and anything like that. So you can just, and in the next episode, which will be coming out later, we can have that. And guys, a good news that today, this is Monday, one day prior I'm shooting this video, and tomorrow when you will see this video on 21st July, our channel will be 3 months finally. And guys, please like, comment and share and subscribe if you haven't done till now. One complaint from you guys is that um, you are watching the video and we are doing very much hard work to do it, and from the analysis sheet of the YouTube provided to every YouTuber, we can got to know that you are watching the videos but not subscribing it. Please subscribe guys to the channel so that we can grow, and it's free, nothing to pay like. And please do, and thank you. Comment down more questions for the next episode. Next poetry on Kargil Vijay Divas on next Tuesday. Remember, new videos every Tuesday. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, link in description. Username Little Writer Poet. Same with your quote app. Go and follow out for more poetries.